Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to manage Android storage. Here's a step guide to manage storage on your Android phone. First, unlock your mobile phone and go to the home screen. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Storage, sometimes under Device Care or Device Maintenance. Wait a moment while your phone calculates used and available storage. Review the categories like apps, photos and videos, audio, documents, cache, etc. Tap on apps to see which apps use the most space. Select a large app you don't use and tap on install to free up space. For apps you keep, tap storage and cache. Then go to clear cache to remove temporary files. Go back and check images. Delete unwanted media. Same goes to videos. Now open Google Photos and enable Backup and Sync to move photos and videos to the cloud. Then delete local copies. In Downloads, delete unnecessary files like old PDFs, images, or APKs. Use the built-in Clean Storage Manager, if available, to automatically remove old backed up photos and unused files. If your phone supports it, move apps or files to an SD card. And also, restart your phone to refresh and ensure changes free up storage. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.